Here in Taiz, it's raining. And this is at Tahrir Street in Taiz, in the middle of the city. It's so heavy also. And here are the small street shops. They are in the middle of the flood. Our dialect is called sail. It's a heavy sail. I try to pass. Isn't dangerous? It's not dangerous. It's okay. And here it's the most landmark sport is Al Qahira Castle. People around here waiting to cross the street. All shops are endangered, and the women are trying to cross. So this man trying to cross safely, and that is covered with a blanket. And this is the banana seller here waiting for customers to come to buy from him. So I am walking here in the middle of the flood here. Heavy. Wow, it's amazing. Wow, it's a good driver for motorcyclists. And this is also wet. Wow, it's amazing. Here Taiz in the middle of the sea today or tonight. It's in the middle of the sea. All people here waiting and amazed, are shocked or happy for this situation. When the weather is rainy, all people here in Taiz are happy. What happened for the cats market? Are the cat sellers, they are suffering from the rain here in the street. It's dark. No people, no customers. It's dangerous.